Shirah Mustardé here from Naturecure Academy. I am the director of our live and dry blood analysis training course. And this is just a quick video to show you a little snippet of the process that an analyst goes through when looking at blood. I have already seen this person's blood and taken lots of photos. So this is me in my report phase. I am overlooking the evidence, which will be all of the blood and the images I've taken of the blood in the blood analysis, the live blood and the dry blood. And also I will be looking and cross-referencing with the case history questionnaire, which would include all the diet, all the health history, and the symptoms. And in that questionnaire, I'll be looking out for underlying causes of disease, areas where I can see there may be this may be influencing, whether it's stress, emotional stress, medications as well. People are on medications, so you always cross-reference and check the side effects of medications to see if they can be influencing the blood as well as influencing the symptoms. So here I am just going to quickly go through some of these images. And one thing I noticed when my client came and I saw her blood for the first time was that there were a lot of these white particles floating around in the plasma, and they were moving quite rapidly, and they are known to be called chylus, and this is what we call the food particles when they've been digested and have gone through the liver, through the portal system into the liver, where the liver checks everything that's being that's been eaten. Is it a friend? Is it a foe? Toxic? What do I need to do with this? I need to tag it with some other molecules to tell the body what to do with it. And then all of that food that's been digested and processed gets put into the circulation and enters the bloodstream. And we see this. So if somebody has just eaten, we would see much more than this. This is just a very mild example. But you would see a lot of this flying around in someone's blood if they had just eaten. Now, we ask people to fast for 5 hours before the blood analysis session. This is so that the body can clear away all those particles. And we have a plasma that is really just showing us other elements that we're looking for when we're doing blood analysis. We want the food out of the picture. But if somebody has fasted for 5 hours, and this person did, and they still have quite a lot of these particles floating around in the plasma, then it tells us something about the integrity of their gut lining. It tells us something about the speed at which their body is digesting. So these particles are most likely there because the food is still leaking from the gut. It's still digesting and being processed and coming out into the plasma. So those are that's what we look out for initially. If they fasted, what are we seeing? Are we seeing any weaknesses in this area? If you're a practitioner, maybe you're a nutritionist or a herbalist, an acupuncturist, a health coach, a naturopath, anyone that's interested in helping others improve their health, and they want a tool to help get more information from their clients and to refine the protocol process so that what you're actually advising your client really relates to them individually. And you can do that by looking at the blood, because you can assess all kinds of aspects of their health and what they need. Do get in touch with us if you're interested in learning how to do this yourself in your own practice, with your own clients and your own microscope. It's great fun. Thank you. Hope to speak to you soon.